Hi students, in this session I am going to discuss inductive effect applications and most important questions. In previous video I had explained concept very clearly: strong electron withdrawing groups, moderate electron withdrawing groups, releasing groups, and some easy tricks also I have uploaded. Who are watching this video first time, please go through that video and come back. In this video I am giving continuation like application questions and previous year questions, how they are asking based on this concept I am making. Okay, let's begin. Stability. First, inductive effect applications and most important questions. Application part only. First question. Stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation directly proportional to plus psi effect. Directly proportional to plus psi effect. In the previous video I had given what are plus psi groups and all. Please go through that. Simply plus psi groups is nothing but alkyl groups. Sure, you can remember like this. Alkyl groups. Okay, clear students? Now look into this. What I said in the previous video, carbon having positive charge is unstable. He is electron deficient. That is not having sufficient electrons. He is deficient. A deficient means existence is difficult. Then what he will do? He will search electrons from someone. He will take electrons from someone. See, these are plus psi groups, right or not? Alkyl groups are electron releasing groups. Alkyl groups are electron releasing groups. This is plus psi group. This is plus psi group. All are giving electrons. He is not having electrons, but neighbors ready to give. He is suppose poor guy. Simple logic you can apply. He is the poor guy, but three rich families are there. Three Ambani rich families are there. Then they are ready to give electron such a way he will get stabilized. Okay, now here this is 2 degree, this is 3 degree carbocation. How can you say it is 3 degree? The carbon attached to 3 carbons. The carbon attached to 3 carbons, we call it as 3 degree, right? Types of carbon atoms, introduction part itself I had explained. If you have any queries, go through that. This is secondary. Secondary, how can you say this carbon attached to 2 carbons, right? So this is secondary. Here 2 electron releasing groups are there. Here 3, here 2. This is primary. The carbon attached to only one carbon, primary carbocation. Here electron releasing group is there. Plus psi group is 1. See students, here how many plus psi groups? Here how many plus psi groups? 2 plus psi groups. Here 1. Here how many plus psi groups? 3. So what I said, stability of carbocation directly proportional to plus psi groups. Plus psi effect. More plus psi groups, more stable. So finally write what is the conclusion. 3 degree carbocation greater stable than 2 degree, then 1 degree. That's it. Clear? Now, so sometimes to confuse the student, they will give ring type structures. I will show that one also, question 2. This is previous year question student. So CH2 plus carbocation. Okay, this is. Next, carbocation. So very simple. This is primary carbocation. Why? Because this carbon attached to only one carbon. This is primary carbocation. It is C. So it is. This is here positive charge, but it attached to 2 carbons, right? It attached to 2 carbons, right? You look into this. This is 1 carbon. See here carbon is there. Here 1 carbon. 2 carbons it attached. Then it is 2 degree carbocation. Here only 1. Here only 1. Right? Here students, here 1, 2. Next, this is like this. Now, see this carbon attached to how many carbons? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons means 3 degree carbocation. That's it. Which is more stable? 3 degree and 2 degree, 1 degree. That's it. Now, question 3. Question 3. So, this is also one of the important one. And strong electron withdrawing groups. One is plus psi group, one is minus psi group. They will introduce the 2 bond line representation I am giving. Advanced programs and mains program they are asking. NEET also. See, this is plus. Positive charge is there. He is positive charge. He has positive charge. He is unstable. If somebody will give electrons, it can stabilize. But see, NO2 group is strong electron withdrawing group. This is minus I group. He is not giving. He is ready to take electrons. Now you can take another group here. This is what methyl group. Methyl group. Here I am giving positive charge. Here I am giving positive charge. And methyl group is nothing but electron releasing group. It will give you electrons and get stabilized. But he is strong withdrawing group. He is withdrawing electrons. First of all, he is unstable. He doesn't have electrons. But somebody is withdrawing, then unstable, no? Right or not? But here unstable, but he is ready to give electrons to methyl groups, ready to give electrons, somewhat is stable, getting stable. Then among these two, which is more stable? This guy is more stable. This guy is more stable. You will get questions like this only. Okay, now example 4. Example 4. Sometimes 2 electron withdrawing groups they will give. But what is the change they will give there? Check it. So here Cl I am keeping, here positive charge, and next you can take, this is positive charge, and here Cl. Here carbocation is there, here carbocation is there, here chlorine is there, here chlorine is there. But what we observed here, this is imagine this is 1, this is second position. Here this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is some third position is there. So inductive effect is distance dependent. Make a note. Inductive effect distance dependent. Distance dependent. Distance increasing, effect decreases. He is unstable. Why? Carbocation. Somebody is giving electrons, he gets stabilized. He is not giving electrons. Even he is also not giving electrons, but he is very near, strong with the drawing group. Minus I group is very near. Then what happened? He will withdraw electrons from this. So that's why effect is more here. Here also electron withdrawing group only, but it is somewhere it is not fastly taking electrons. Then somewhat it is more stable. It is better. So among these two, which is more stable? This guy. More stable. Distance dependent. Now next one more. Again chlorine only they are giving, but you can understand what is the difference here. Example 5. Question 5. Here Cl I am taking, students. Here Cl I am taking. Which is more stable? Here this is 1 minus I group is there. Here 2 minus I groups is there. What happened? Minus I groups decreases the stability. Minus I groups decreases stability. Minus I groups are increasing, stability decreasing. Then he is more stable. He is less stable. Clear point? That's it. Comparison always. Actually both are actually unstable, but compare between these two means which is better, you can check it like this. Okay. Now next one. Next previous year question. This is NO2 group plus, next this is EF, here plus, here carbocation, here minus I group is there, here also minus I groups decreases the stability, there is no doubt, but this is among these two, which is the strong electron withdrawing group. NO2 is strong electron withdrawing group. I had given in the previous video, right? Strong electron withdrawing group. Effect is more unstable. So who is more stable? He is more stable. So like this. Okay. Comparison questions. Now next one. Isotopes they are giving. So T, Ct. This is instead of hydrogens they are giving tritium. Tritium is radioactive isotope. We have learned, right? So instead of hydrogen, this is tritium, carbocation, and they are giving here deuterium. They are giving. Okay, and here hydrogen they're giving. Hydrogen giving. So which is more stable? Hydrogen is, if it gives electrons, it doesn't have electrons, is unstable, is one electron only, one electron only. But among these three, which is more stable means tritium is more stable. Tritium, then deuterium, then hydrogen. Okay students, now one more exceptional case I am giving here. Alkyl groups is nothing but no doubt plus I groups. But we have one exceptional case is there students, exceptional case. What is exceptional case here? RMGX, Grignard reagent. What is this? We call it as Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So R is nothing but alkyl group. R is nothing but alkyl group. Here what is alkyl group? Anything you can take it to methyl, ethyl and propyl. You can take anything. Clear? Now you look into the CH3 CH2 MgX, right? MgCl. If you take this is metals never exhibits negative oxidation state. Never exhibits negative oxidation state. Then what is the negative? Which is having negative charge? This is having negative charge. This is having negative charge. This is alkyl group only. This alkyl group attached to metals, then it acts as negative. Then it acts as negative. It is not positive. So please. Next, one more thing. One more question. Example 7. I am giving question 7. I am giving CH3 CH2 plus. This is ethyl carbocation. This is what we call it as ethyl carbocation. Next, they will compare with another one. This is vinyl. Vinyl I will take. Vinyl carbocation. This is vinyl carbocation. Which is unstable. Which is unstable means definitely vinyl is less stable. Reason. I am writing here reason. First I will explain the reason students, then afterwards I will write the reason students, after that I will start explanation. So vinyl carbocation less stable than ethyl carbocation as positive charge is not suitable. Positive charge is not suitable on more electronegative carbon like sp2 hybridized hybridized. Okay, look into this. Is sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization means more electronegative. More electronegative is nothing but negative charge is suitable, not positive charge. Why sp2 hybridized carbon is more electronegative? I am writing here. Did you understand? More electronegative means definitely suitable charge is negative, not positive. See students, I am taking alkenes and I am taking alkynes. Okay, this is what sp3 hybridization. What is this? sp2 hybridization. This is sp. So sp hybridized carbon. So here percentage of s characters depends on percentage of s character. So S character first calculate. Here 1 by 4 S character equal to 25%, P character equal to 75%, 1 by 4, that's it. 1 by 3 means S character equal to 33.3% and P character equal to P percentage equal to 63 point how much students? 7, right? So next one, here sp is nothing but percentage of S character equal to 50%, 1 by 2 percentage, so 50%. I am giving 1 point. S character directly proportional to electronegativity. Directly proportional to electronegativity. So finally, who is more electronegative? Who is more electronegative, students? Alkynes are more electronegative, and afterwards alkenes are more electronegative, afterwards alkanes. This is. But more electronegative character means what is a suitable charge? Negative. But vinyl carbocation, what we have written? Positive. That is not suitable. No, not suitable means it will not exist. It will not exist means less stable. Clear? This is what electronegativity order. Electronegativity order. Clear, students? So with this, applications of inductive effect and most important frequently asking questions under inductive effect I have completed. Please go through the 2 videos and prepare well examination. Thank you, students. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe our channel.